update. More than half of adults here in the U.S., they are dealing with or they have dealt with chronic pain. You know, medications have been the go-to fix for many years, and now Arizona is in the middle of an opioid epidemic. I want you to take a look here real quick at the Department of Health Services website. In real time, you can see how many people have lost their lives. Look at this, 146 suspected opioid deaths, 1,102 suspected overdoses. The numbers just keep climbing there, folks. And again, this is in real time. ABC 15's John Genovese shares how a Valley doctor is taking action to treat people in pain without any pills.
We have millions and millions of people badly abusing and badly addicted.
In the U.S. alone, opioids are tied to more than 30,000 deaths a year.
I no longer wanted to spend the rest of my career kind of being part of the mainstream that took us in this direction.
Dr. Ben Bobrow is Chief Medical Officer of thepainproject.com, offering solutions that are more about mind over matter.
The best and most effective ways to treat chronic pain aren't with pills or injections or surgeries, but it's with things like what we call cognitive behavioral therapy.
I have some severe headaches that I've been troubled with.
We were taken through a demo.
Are you having that pain right now?
Using an encrypted video service that looks a lot like Skype.
Have they been diagnosed as migraines?
Patients dealing with pain can book an appointment and meet with a therapist online.
The problem may not be so much with their knee as it is with things that have happened in their brain.
Changing the way you think.
How intense is that?
In hopes of ending an epidemic.
I believe people have had enough of it, and they really are going to start demanding something else, and something that works, and something that's safe.
John Genovese, ABC 15, Arizona.